what's up? It's me, Taylor Bob. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cutting my mom's hair. Yes, you guys, so my mom has been putting relaxers pretty much all her life, and I put relaxers a long time as well. But in 2016, I decided that I did not want to put any more relaxers and I wanted to become natural. So I cut off all my relaxed ends, and this is pretty much my result. Now, my mom is a little in between. She kind of wants to be natural, but she kind of wants to keep her length because she loves wearing her roller sets. But my mom has a lot of new growth that is natural and it's curly, and it just looks really weird because it's curly and then she has those straggly straight ends. So in today's video, I'm going to be cutting my mom's hair, and y'all going to see us have some little conversation going back to back because she is pretty nervous about cutting her hair off for the first time, and she doesn't trust me because I'm not a beautician, y'all. She actually looking at me right now like, girl, you better not tell people you about to cut all my hair off. So let's get straight into this video and I'll show you guys how I transition my mom from relaxed to natural. Let's go. Your girl done put her bifocals on and I am ready to attack my mom's head. So I'll go ahead and put a picture right here just so you guys can see how my mom's natural hair actually looks. So you guys see all of that new growth. It's time for those straggly ends to go. Okay, so I'm going to begin working section by section. My mom has already washed her hair and she's already conditioned it, and I can kind of see the curl pattern that we have here, but I can also really see those straggly ends. Y'all, so I'm going to be starting with this little bottom piece right here, and I'm going to actually clip up this top part. All right, Mom, could you turn to the back so they can see? All right, so this is pretty much how it looks. All right, Mom, you ready for me to cut? You can turn your hair back to the side. Are you ready? Okay, I'll show her exactly how much. Y'all, if y'all can only see like the curl pattern that my mom already has in her hair, it's so freaking pretty, and we've been trying to tell her like, just cut it. Just cut it off. Just cut it. All right, so you know what? I'm actually going to clip this off because I see more straggly ends towards the bottom. Okay. You ready? Okay, so it's really not a lot, Mom. It's like this much at the bottom. Is that okay? All right. She's like, hell no, it's not okay. All right. We've already started cutting. Mom, keep yours to the side. Not a lot at all. At all. And I'm cutting right where the straight hair meets the curly hair. That's exactly where I'm cutting. And that's pretty much it, y'all, on how I'm cutting my mom's hair. I'm really excited for this, and I think this needed to be done because her curl pattern is so freaking pretty, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and keep cutting, and I'm going to show y'all the end result once we finish. As you know, like getting a trim, it's not the same concept whenever you're doing natural hair. So see, like this, if I would just stretch your hair out, you can look in the camera. If I would stretch your hair out like this and then cut, I can't tell what's natural and what's not. So it's better for me to comb it and kind of let it go, and then I'm able to see exactly what's left and what's straggly on your hair. So and there are probably going to be a few pieces that you're going to see in your head that you might want to go back and take off yourself. But I'll let you do that yourself if you see any extra pieces. But a few more little.
That's 2 inches.
That's all.
So how it looks?
It looks like a fro. Would you want me to put some gel in just one section, or you want to just keep going?
Well, you might as well keep.
It's up to you. What you want to do?
Now.
It
don't matter now.
Y'all, she's freaking out. You want it to be natural, I thought. Make sure that I get all of the straggly pieces. Y'all, her curl pattern is so pretty at the bottom. Like mom. It's so pretty. She's like, your dad's gonna kill me. He doesn't like my short hair. Y'all, seriously, look how much hair I cut off. Seriously, look, that's it. You didn't have that much more, honey. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Yeah.
It's not gonna look right when you style. You see what I mean? So it's either like you either go all the way or you don't go at all. If I was you, I would just cut it. It's up to you. But whenever you wet your hair, that's the reality of how your hair is gonna look. And this is not gonna curl up with gel because it's relaxed. So what do you want to do?
Curl your tail.
All right. Cutting about right here. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm. No, not really right.
Can I cut it?
Cut it.
That's not a lot of hair. And y'all, I think my mom has a little bit more natural hair than what I had when I actually transitioned. I think you have more hair than me.
Okay.
Can I? Or no?
Cut it.
Or you want to leave that for your little ear?
Yeah, one little ears like you.
Okay. Let's keep going then. That's like how she looks. I think we have a few more pieces in the front that I would like to actually work with, but this is pretty much my mom natural, you guys. So give this video a like if you guys think I did a good job. Turn around to the back, mom. Turn around to the back. Look at this, y'all. She got her a little fro, okay? Turn back to the front. Yes, darling. Now, what I do see is just a few pieces up here. Can I cut?
Cut it, Taylor.
She just saying cut it, Taylor. Cut it, Taylor. Exactly what I want to hear.
Taylor, look.
I need free
What
creative.
do you look like?
Free creative direction. Okay, mom, are you ready for me to style? Basically rinsing out her hair right now. I just want her to kind of wet her hair up a little bit before I put the wet line extreme. But this is pretty much how much hair we cut off. So honestly, y'all, this is not a lot of hair, okay? Like, I'm really proud of her for transitioning as long as she did. Looks. I think your curl pattern is really pretty. I think there are like just little spots in her head that will have to be cut, but I think for the most part, I mean, I think it looks pretty good. All right, you guys, so this is pretty much the finished look of my mom's hair. I did take off all the perm ends that I thought needed to go. I think there are still a few pieces in her head that actually need to be taken off. But I think she let me cut a good amount of hair off. So overall, I'm happy. And I think by her protective styling that her hair will come back in no time. Mom, what do you think about your hair?
I don't know.
She doesn't know. That's the feeling I think that every natural gets. Because I know when I first cut my hair, I kind of didn't know what to do either. I had this little fro just like this. And I was like, what do I do with it? You know, but for me, I
know what I'm going to do.
So, what you going to do?
Protective style. I'm gonna.
She's gonna do protective style.
Twist.
That's exactly what I was gonna say. You know, when I had my hair like this, I was just wearing my wigs 24/7 beforehand anyway. So it really didn't make me a big difference. I just slick my hair back and put on my wigs. And my mom does get twists every now and then. So I think twists will definitely help bring out her hair. But like I said, single leaf twist is something that she always does in her hair. But are you still kind of like, are you shocked? Like, how do you feel?
Shocked.
You're shocked?
Yes.
Can you look at the camera?
I am.
All right, y'all. So that's pretty much it. I just cut her hair, and maybe I'll do another update, maybe styling her hair or giving you guys an update once her hair grows out a little longer. But thank you guys so much for tuning back into my channel. Mom, tell them to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Why should they subscribe to my channel? Tell them.
Because she is thebomb.com.
That was so fake. Can you really tell them why they subscribe to my channel?
Because you're really good.
Thanks, Mom. All right, y'all. So I'll see y'all in the next video.